Welcome to DBeaver's YouTube channel. GPT-3 is a large language model chatbot developed by the artificial intelligence company OpenAI. It has 175 billion parameters and was trained on 570 gigabytes of text. Thanks to that, GPT-3 is able to perform tasks it was not explicitly trained on, and with few to no examples. Compared to its predecessor GPT-2, which was practically incapable of doing this, GPT-3 has taken a huge step forward and has quickly gained popularity around the world. One of its more popular uses is to help you write code in various languages, and now it can become your assistant in writing SQL queries in DBeaver. Thanks to our new feature, you can convert sentences written in human language into SQL. You simply need to describe the desired query and get the result. For example, if you have a table with invoices, you can write "Show all invoices," and this request will be converted into a valid select query. In the left toolbar of SQL Editor, you can find a new icon that, when clicked, will open an AI assistant. On the first run, you'll see a warning that the metadata information needs to be transferred to OpenAI API. If you click the Confirm button, you can open a GPT-3 Smart Completion window. On the first launch, you'll see a Preferences window. The main thing you need to do is to enter the API token. It's available via the link for free. All other settings can be left set on default, but if you want to change them, please read our documentation for details. Now we can check how it works with an example using our SQLite database. Let's try showing all invoices from our German customers. To do this, just enter the following: Show all invoices from Germany. Next, we'll click the Translate button. As you can see, our text was converted into a valid SQL query, and it was automatically executed since we checked the corresponding box in the preferences. Let's run the same query, but add a condition to it. Show all invoices from Germany with a total more than 4. We got the correct select query that only displays records in which the total values are more than 4. An essential feature of GPT-3 is that you can write text in any language, not just English, and it will still be translated correctly. Let's ask a smart completion to write the same query, but this time we'll use German. Zeig alle Rechnungen aus Deutschland mit der Gesamtsumme über 4. And again, we get the exact same query as before. Let's try to make a slightly more complex request and see how our AI assistant handles it. Show invoices and customers from California with total more than 5. GPT-3 Smart Completion turned our sentence into a valid SQL query, but used a nested select statement. Let's ask it to use joins instead. Show invoices and customers from California with total more than 5. Use joins. As you can see, the generated query now uses joins. You can give hints to the AI assistant on how to change a query to get the result you want. Since the GPT-3 Smart Completion knows the database structure, in most cases it guesses how to build a query in the best way. To test this, let's take other tables from our sample database and ask GPT-3 to create another query for us. Show all heavy metal tracks and artists' names. GPT-3 used data from 3 tables to create an SQL query with joins. After its execution, we see 2 columns in the result set: the track's name and the artist's name. In addition, our AI assistant sorted both columns alphabetically. GPT-3 Smart Completion in DBeaver can be useful for writing SQL queries quickly without much effort. You can simplify and speed up your work with its help. Please remember that, like any artificial intelligence, GPT-3 is imperfect and sometimes makes mistakes. But its capabilities are extensive, And we're going to use them in the future to improve the GPT-3 smart completion in DBeaver. We'll be glad if you'll try out the new feature on your databases and share your feedback with us. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.